Okay, so we're going to continue working on another question. This one also comes from the 2023 HSC Advanced Maths paper. This will be quite a short one. This is question 31C. So question 31C, we're doing this on its own. What is the probability that at least one of the 4 students is not available next Saturday? Okay, so at least one of the 4 students not available. This is the same as 1 minus the probability that they are all available. Because if you think 1 not being available, there's 4 ways that could happen. If you think of 2 not being available, there's a few ways that could happen. 3 not being available, there's a few ways that, and there's 1 way all of them could not be available. So at least 1 includes all of those outcomes. In fact, the only outcome not included is the one where they're all available. So to find this probability, we can say the probability of all, so what is the probability at least 1 is not available? We'll do probability of all S is going to be equal to 1 minus the probability that they are all available. So this is going to be 4 on 5 to the power of 4, because the probability that each one is available on S is 4 on 5. So this will end up being 1 minus 256 divided by 625. If we simplify this down, this will be 369 over 625, and this is about 0.59. 0.59 approximately, if we were rounding to 2 decimal places. So this is a pretty easy follow-up from the previous question. You did have to have the answer to part B in order to get the answer to part C. So this is one where you are prohibited from getting the 3rd mark if you can't get the marks from earlier in the question. In terms of the marking, you get 1 mark for identifying how to do this question or using some method that is likely to work. And then you get 1 mark for finding the correct value. Now it's likely that they'll accept the fraction or the decimal. The fraction is preferable because the rest of the question worked with fractions. So this is how we do question 31C from the 2023 HSC Advanced Maths paper.